Have you ever heard of the goofy conversation? Here's how it goes. When you get goofy, how do you want me to handle the conversation and help you in the last stages of life? As part of our financial planning process, we talk about that because there may be a day when you can't take care of the house any longer. You can't mow the lawn. You can't drag the hose around or prepare nutritious meals for yourself or your family. We can help you find a professional who can take you on tours and visits of different retirement facilities, group homes, and independent living options. Here are some things to consider as you start looking for the next place you'd like to live. What I like to think about is that it's a place you can retire to and not from. Does the facility offer independent living as well as future nursing care services? People don't age all the same way. In fact, they're quite different. I've worked with many couples where one needs more care than the other. You may need to find a facility that's set up to cater to both of those situations. And does it have a memory care service? It's hard to predict whether you'll need them, but dementia and Alzheimer's diseases are so very real as parts of aging. Unfortunately, many of us have experienced this. Then there's the social aspect. What kinds of activities are offered that will give you a social life and a chance for emotional connection? Also, what sort of transportation will be provided? And of course, how spendy do you want this to be? A move like this is so much easier when you can see yourself in a lifestyle that you embrace, which brings us back to our financial planning process. We have years of experience helping families through this stage and working as your advocate, so you have the least amount of anxiety when making these very important decisions. My grandmother, who lived to be 95, toward the end of her life, she had a fall and needed care. I really know what this is like. I can tell you from experience that the best thing to do is to make these decisions about where you want to live well before you need to make the move.